Yes, be ready. 5 seconds. Start. This petition filed under Article 32 of the Constitution of India has prayed for following reliefs. Stop. Issue an appropriate writ in the nature of mandamus or any other appropriate writ, direction or order declaring that the respondent number 2, namely National Cooperative Consumer Federation of India Limited, is state within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution of India and is amenable to writ jurisdiction. Stop. Issue an appropriate writ, direction and order commanding the respondent number 1 and 2 give 80% arrears balance amount of 6th pay commission. Stop. Arrears of dearness allowance with effect from July 2015 as declared by the Government of India from time to time. Stop. Revised pay scales as recommended by 7th pay commission with arrears with effect from 1/1/2016. Stop. Payment of leave encashment for the year 2015, 2016. Stop. Pay fixation, upgradation, promotion of class 4th employees. Stop. Payment of tea allowance and medical reimbursement to the head office employees as has been given to the employees of the other branches of NCCF. Stop. Arrears of leave travel concession with effect from 2005. Retirement benefits dues to the retired employees as mentioned in Annexure 11. Stop. The petitioner has averred. Stop. That there are conflicting judgments of the Honorable High Court of Judicature at Patna and the Honorable High Court of Delhi on a question as to whether the respondent number 1 is a state within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution of India and is amenable to writ jurisdiction. Stop. A division bench of the Honorable High Court of Delhi in its judgment titled J.S. Arneja vs. NCCF 1994 (25 DRJ 546) has held that the NCCF is not state within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution of India. Stop. However, the Honorable High Court of Judicature at Patna by its judgment and order dated 11/9/2008 in civil writ jurisdiction case number 7042 of 1995 and in civil writ jurisdiction case number 9940 of 1996 has held that the NCCF is a state within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution of India and the same is amenable to writ jurisdiction. Stop. Stanza. The aforesaid judgment of the learned single judge dated 11/9/2008 has been upheld by the division bench of High Court of Judicature at Patna in later patent appeal number 926 of 2008 and 863 of 2008 filed by the chairman president NCCF wide its judgment and order dated 7/7/2011. Stop. Against the aforesaid judgment and order dated 7/7/2011 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Patna, the chairman president of NCCF of India has filed civil appeals number 1918 to 1919 of 2012 are pending disposal before this honorable court. Stop. This honorable court by order dated 6/2012 while granting leave to appeal refused to grant stay of the impugned judgment and order dated 7/7/2011 passed by the Honorable High Court of Judicature at Patna. Stop. As is clear from the record, the division bench of the Patna High Court (start in LPA number 926 of 2008) arising from CWJC number 7042 of 1995 (close) had affirmed the view taken by the single judge holding the National Cooperative Consumer Federation of India Limited. Stop. Stanza.